Kitty Pie, and today we got some Hello Kitty squishies, and I'm here with my mom. And this is one of them. It's a blue one with sprinkles on top. And there are cupcakes too. They can be all sorts. And these are what you can collect, and we got the whole collection already for you guys.
So we're going to open them up now.
So this is the first one we're going to open up. It's blue. This is what we got, guys. It's like chocolate on the top and sprinkles and a blue wrapper on the bottom. And yeah, and it has
very squishy
and soft. So we'll put that there for you guys to see. So now we're going to open this. It's a red one. So this one has a bow like the other one, a pink one though, and pink sprinkles, and it's white, and it's like chocolate and red wrapper. We'll put that there. And now, which one do you want to open?
Let's open this one. It's like a light pink with sprinkles on it. So we'll open it up.
Ooh. This is the one I like, guys. It's like rainbow sprinkles and like pink in the wrapper. And look at the bow, so cute.
So soft. Let's open up the next one, Evie. This looks like another blue one with pink bows.
That's like the red one, but just blue, guys. This is what it looks like. It's the same as this one, but blue. And this is a love heart one, like for Valentine's. This is a cute one, guys. It's like red.
And it's got love hearts and a red bow. So pretty.
Now let's open this one. We got this. It's like chocolate and white. And
sprinkles as well. So pretty.
Now we're opening this one, a pink one. Like a magenta. Look at the magenta wrapper.
So this is like a hot pink. So pretty. And squishy.
Yeah.
And our lucky last one. It's also another hot pink one.
With chocolate on top.
Yep.
So guys, this is what we got for the lucky last one. We
So
got
there's a hot pink case.
and dark chocolate for the bow.
And some sprinkles on top as well. So these are all the one that we got. So we collected all 8 of them.
Because there was 8 to collect, guys.
So like on the pack, it says 8 here. See, guys?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And these are all the one that we got, guys. They're also squishy. And it is so cute, guys. Quickly zoom it in for you guys to see the one that we got.
So this is like the vanilla one with rainbow sprinkles, guys. So guys, these are all the ones we got. And comment down below what one you like. So Mum, what one do you like? I like this one with the rainbow sprinkles.
And I think I like this pink one here, guys. The hot pink one. It's the nice pink. So don't forget to comment down below, guys.
And subscribe our channel and give us thumbs up.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.